How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome back to another exciting unboxing in our spooky LEGO series. Today we're going to be opening up a brand new set from the year 2024. It was actually released exclusively on the LEGO website in the beginning of September. A lot of the time when you buy these seasonal sets, the only way you can actually get them is off of the LEGO website, and sometimes you can pick them up for a very good price. This set right here was only around $18 when I purchased it. I do believe there are a few more available, so if you guys would like to pick this set up for yourselves, I definitely suggest you go to the LEGO website, lego.com or lego.ca if you are in Canada. This is a super cool fall themed set. We have a spooky Halloween barn there. The only minifigure that it comes with, it looks like, is a little skeleton minifigure, but this set is around 205 pieces. It looks like it has some pretty cool features as well. You can open up the barn doors and the shutters, and it looks like we have a pretty creepy eye and mouth when you open it up. I'm really excited to open up this set. With Halloween just around the corner, I'm definitely going to be opening up some more spooky and Halloween themed LEGO sets for you guys. If you would like to see those, I definitely suggest that you smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell notification so you can follow along with our new content as it is being released. And then without any further ado, what do you say I tear this bad boy open and take a look at what kind of pieces we are working with and what this set looks like when it is completed. So without any further ado, what do you say we tear this box open and get this bad boy started? Let's get it, guys.